formulations and active ingredients to combat the potential pests that may attempt to invade a structure that you're treating. This can be done by utilizing suspension concentrates or wettable dispersible granules, wettable powders as sprayables. Utilize gel baits, granular baits, residential granules, dust. Try to get as many formulations as you can involved in your regular protocols. If it is an existing client and you know the history of the account, such as this structure always has Argentine ants in the summer, or this neighborhood always has Argentine ants in the summer, then I would also recommend being proactive and take the extra time to do an extensive inspection in the early spring so that you can detect the ants and detect their harborages, and really attack those ants before they become a major problem in the summer. So you would attack them in the early spring with those different formulations. It's important to not get in a rut and potentially do the same thing in every account. And as we all know, this goes unsaid, but one size really doesn't fit all, especially in urban pest management, due to all the different variables that you may run into at different structures.